Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Student, how are you?
Fine.
So, welcome to the homeschooling with Shanzi and Shayan. Please subscribe our channel. And today our chapter is the same, quadratic equation. In this quadratic equation, I will make the quadratic equation type 3. In type 3, we have the reciprocals or equation of the form like this. Type 3 reciprocal equation. A x square plus 1 by x square plus b x plus 1 by x plus c is equal to 0. So here you can see that this is the x and x reciprocal is 1 by x.
1 by x.
This is x square and x square reciprocal is
1
by x square. So in this we will substitute it. So how? We will take an example. 2x square plus 1 by x square minus 9x plus 1 by x plus 14 is equal to 0. So here this is reciprocal of x and 1 by x and x square. So we will take for substitution the 1 with the power or with the exponent 1 power. So let's suppose x plus 1 by x is equal to y, z. You can take any variable. Here I will take z. So we can put instead of x plus 1 by x z, but there we also need the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Most of the student did wrong, that they will put here z square. It is not right. So what is the value of this x square plus 1 by x square? So by taking square, this you will take as equation 1, this as equation 2. Square both side of equation 2 by the formula So this is the formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. If all of you are familiar with this formula, so this is your first term, this is your second term. So first term is square plus second term is square plus 2 first term into second term is equal to z square. So this will come x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to z square. So we need the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to z square minus 2. So you know all about this. So in next board we will do the okay. So x square plus 1 by x square value is this and x plus 1 by x value. So these two values we will put in equation 1. This is your equation 1. So 2, and instead of x square plus 1 by x square, you will write z square minus 2 and minus 9, and instead of x plus 1 by x, you will write the z. Plus 14 is equal to 0. Now you will multiply this 2z square minus 4 minus 9z plus 14 is equal to 0. So arrange this equation that this will become the standard form of the quadratic equation. 2z square minus 9z minus 4 and plus 14 is equal to 0. 2z square minus 9z and plus 10 is equal to 0. Now, by the factorization method, 2z square multiplied by 10, this will be 20z square plus. We want minus 9z. So we will make factor of 20. 10 2s are 20, but when we will add or subtract 10 or 2, we get either 12 or 8. There are other factor also. 5 4s are. So this will fulfill the both requirement, that 2z square minus 5z and minus 4z plus 10 is equal to 0. Taking z common from these two, so this is 2z minus 5, and from here minus 2, so this is 2z minus 5 is equal to 0. 2z minus 5 and z minus 2 is equal to 0. 2z minus 5 is equal to 0. 2z is equal to 5 and z is equal to 5 by 2. And z minus 2 is equal to 0. And z is equal to 2. So is this the solution or not?
Yes.
No. Our variable is here x.
X.
So you will remember always that you will find the solution set of actual variable which is present in the question. In question your variable is x,
X.
and this is your substitution. So in next step I will again put. Okay student, so we found the result of our substitutes variable. Our substitute variable is z, its solution set is. Okay students, we find the result of our substitute variable which is 5 by 2 and 2, and our substitution as in equation 2, x plus 1 by x is equal to z. So x plus 1 by x will be 5 by 2 at one time, and x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. So this is the type 2. Like type 2 we did, it is the reciprocal.
Yes.
So their LCM is
1.
x.
X.
1 and x LCM, and there is also 2. So their LCM is 2x. So multiplying by 2x. X into 2x plus 1 by x into 2x is equal to 5 by 2 into 2x. So this will 2x square plus 2 and is equal to 5x. So standard form x plus 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is your one quadratic equation. You will find two values of x from here, and in second equation like this, their LCM is x. So we will multiplying by x. Two into x. So this is x square plus 1 is equal to 2x. X square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So student, this is your homework. You will solve these two quadratic equations. So you will find two solutions from this equation and two from this equation.